class, you remember we were getting us output. For what? Minimum number of nodes in a given level, maximum number of nodes given level, which can tell you what is the width of your tree. Okay? Maximum width of your tree, minimum width of your tree. Now, if you ask the same question to ChatGPT, which some of you did also while you were in the class, you will get an output where, or you are getting, correct? Okay. So, what was our question? 80, 4, 3, I don't know, 31 probably, 78, something like that, this we did, okay? And there were 3 over here. Something. So now in our program, here, we said count is going to be 1. We were trying to do what? Please try and understand, okay, our logic and why it was not working. In the single loop where I am constructing this particular queue, at that time only I want to check what is the width, okay, which means I am not wasting any kind of time to check how many of them are having a, what do you say, how many of them are there in a particular single level. So what my question would be here is 20, 0, suppose 31, 41, 62, 72, 82. Now you understand what does this mean? Correct? Level. So can you imagine or build a tree in your mind? This would be root, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? Now in our code, what we are doing is, we are making count of level equal to 1. Why? Because every time we are going to pop something, it is present. So if it is present, the count should be 1, is what I am trying to do. Okay? Now, what we do is, we take this particular thing and name it as n. Correct? Then we understand that there is a particular level which I am extracting from this particular n. Okay? Or at the first node, this is my n and this is my level. So I extract level, the first node I am extracting level is equal to 0. Okay? Now when level is equal to 0, I am just securing this particular level. What I am trying to do is, after this has been popped, I will check who is at the front and who popped out. Who popped out? 20 and 0 popped out. Okay? So if the count, if the level of the front of the node and the level of the popped out element is same, what will I do to the counter? Increment. If they are not same, what will I do to the counter? I am going to reset the counter. Okay? That way I will be able to count all the nodes which are at a particular level. So what we were doing over here, and why was it not working, is the reason. This particular thing that I was doing, okay, I was only doing if I found 2. I should do it regardless it went into if or it went into else. I am supposed to be checking, I am supposed to be checking here. This code should be written over here. So even if you went at if, you are incrementing or you are resetting your counter. After you have incremented your counter or you have resetted the counter, then only I will change my maximum L based on what is the maximum. Is max L greater or count L greater? Okay. So now this is the code I have. Now you look at this particular code. We will try to build this application 20, 80, 3, 4, 78, 31, 41, राइट के राइट का यहां पर ना, हाँ, 49, 419, 500. This is the node that we have. Okay. So according to our logic of counting the number of nodes as they are leaving the queue should work for minimum also and for maximum also. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is same logic that we have it over here. If I'm going to find maximum, that level I would do it as minimum, initialize it with minimum -1, count L. This I'll just save it, go to command prompt, maximum 3 is coming. Wait, I'm not making anywhere it as 0, right? Count 1, count it's coming 3. Wait, I'll check that. If we try to do the minimum part of it, minimum should give us what? 1. Okay. Minimum element I will initialize it with the maximum one. CLS. Where is this? DS24. 1 minute, let me check. How is 3 still coming? See, the code is not getting changed. Same is there. Wait. We are working on this .cpp back file. I will save it as j.cpp again. Yes. Let me change it back to max. It is not coming. File, save as abc.cpp. Yes, abc.cpp. abc.cpp. Yeah. Okay, the only change we didn't in our logic was only we were counting the max L over here only if the level was different. Even if I'm resetting it, I should check, okay, which one is the max code. So this should be counted regardless whether my level is changed or my level is not changed. Clear? This is the only thing we did. This thing works for your minimum also. All I need to do here is say minimum. And since this is my variable which is going to catch it up, it's going to show my maximum. But this is maximum, but we are calculating minimum. Minimum is 1, which is over here. maximum is 4, which is at this level. Okay. What mechanism did we use? Did all of you understand or didn't understand? Didn't understand. No. Can I represent this tree in a queue? Yes. Let's do that. 20 with 0, 80 with 1, 3 with 1, 4 with 2, 78 with 2, 31 with 2, 41 with 2. Let's keep it this. Okay? I'll just rub this. Now only logic building. Okay? This is a queue. Forget about everything and level and all those nodes and all those things that we have got to do. Forget about it completely. This is the queue. It holds two values. 20, 0, 81, 3, 1, 4, 2, 7, 2, 3, 2, 4, 41, 2. Forget about it. This is a queue also right now. Suppose this was an array. Okay? And somebody told you that give me the frequency of the elements which are present in an array. Okay? Now which array am I? Only the array which can contain 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. If this is the array, come on guys, we have done this in C class. How do I do it? You will start from where? What is the logic that you will employ to calculate the frequency if this was an array? Forget it is Q right now. अगर ये array होता तो तुमको output क्या लिखना था? 2 equal to 4, 1 equal to 2, 0 equal to 1. How would you have done that? करते थे. Give me the logic you would have done to tell the frequency. हाँ, कैसे करते थे frequency? If A of I is equal to A of I plus 1, what will you do? Where will you initialize that count and how will you increment that count? Tell me now. Count would be outside for loop, inside for loop. Where will I initialize the count variable? What will I keep it as? Should I keep it as 0? Should I keep it as 1? A of I का check कर रहे हो ना, तो A of I का element तो रहेगा ही. तो count 1 होगा कि count 0 होगा? Now you are understanding why count is 1. Every element you encounter for the first time, what is the count of that element? So should counter be resetted to 1? Yes. So you now tell me how will you check the frequency of this? Count equal to 1, for loop. For loop will start from where to where? A of I to, sorry, I equal to 0 to I equal to length minus 1 or length minus 2. तुम अंदर क्या लिख रहे हो कोड के? A of I plus 1 जब बोलोगे और length minus 1 बोलोगे तो वो आगे नहीं जाएगा क्या? करेक्ट? वो लॉजिक से क्या आएगा तुम्हारा आउटपुट बोलो? If I start from here, I am saying count equal to 0 or 1, let's decide. Okay? Then I will write a for loop, I equal to 0, I less than what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Should I write 7? Should I write 6? Should I write 5? We will choose. ये भी ऐसे रहने देते. 7 तो नहीं आएगा पर. Correct? So it's either 6 or it's a 5. And then what? I plus plus. What are you checking here? If A of I is equal to A of I plus 1 means what? This is I plus 1. Both of them are same. If both of them are same means what? Can I increment my counter? Yes. So I will increment my counter plus plus. Then again I will make this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then what am I checking? Is I equal to I plus 1? If I is equal to I plus 1, now counter will be what? Again incremented. So now what would be the value of counter? Pehle counter was 1 initially. First time it was equal, so counter became 2. Second time also it is equal, counter became 3. Okay. Now I is again pointing where? Here. I will again check with I plus 1. Both of them are same. So what will happen over here? Count will again increase to 4. Okay. Now I will come here. Is I equal to I plus 1? No. Does 2 are coming 4 times? Yes. Okay. So right now I is not equal to I plus 1. So else में मैं क्या करूंगी? काउंट को रीसेट करूं या नहीं करूं? Reset to what? 1. Okay. So I will reset my count to what? 1. Okay. Now I is pointing here and I plus 1 is here. Both of them are same? Yes, they are same. Okay. So count becomes what now? Count becomes what now? 2. Okay. Now I is pointing here. Again I plus 1 is not equal. So should I reset my counter again? Yes, I will reset my counter. Counter again becomes what? 1. Then I will come here. I don't have any I plus 1. So last element would always be same element. Understanding? So what am I doing? I should know what I am comparing with and when to increment my counter. When I am checking I is I plus 1, I am incrementing my counter. When both of them are not same, what am I doing? This logic understood, everybody? Now, that very easily with for loop. Now your problem is what? Your elements are in queue. Okay? They are 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 0. Now, I have to do comparison with my adjacent one. How will you do queue में adjacent? फ्रंट है, फ्रंट के पीछे क्या जा सकते हैं अपन? कोई एलिमेंट फ्रंट में, अभी तुमको कंपेयर करना है 0 to 1 के साथ. ये एरे था, अपन ने 2 से शुरू किया. अब ये क्यू है तो हम कहां से शुरू करेंगे? राइट हैंड साइड से. अब मेरे को क्या कंपेयर करना है? 0 को 1 के साथ कंपेयर करना है. दोनों सेम होंगे तो मैं क्या करूंगी? काउंटर इंक्रीमेंट. दोनों सेम नहीं होंगे तो मैं क्या करूंगी? रीसेट. ठीक है. अब मेरे को बताओ, how will I ever try to, I am stuck in a queue, how will I compare my first element with my second element? Very good. Take the front value, store it in a temporary variable. Which is our variable over here? Level. और उसको पॉप कर दो. अब कौन आ गया आगे? तो कैसे लोगे उसको? फ्रंट से. पहले फ्रंट लो, टेम्पररी वेरिएबल में डालो, पॉप कर दो, निकल गया वो. अब कौन आ गया? फ्रंट. दोनों मिल गए 1 2. कैन यू कंपेयर बोथ ऑफ देम? इफ दे आर इक्वल देन, इफ दे आर नॉट इक्वल देन वाइल लूप खत्म हो गया. फिर तुम आओ वाइल लूप के लिए. अब किसको किसके साथ कंपेयर करोगे? नाउ हु इज इन फ्रंट? 80. फिर क्या करोगे? 80 को टेम्पररी वेरिएबल, फिर 80 को क्या कर दोगे, पॉप। अब 80 को किससे कंपेयर करोगे, 3 और 1 से, ओके दोनों सेम है। नाउ यू विल डू व्हाट, increment the counter. Now again you go into the while loop. Now what would you do, who is in front now, 3. What will you do to 3, store it into temporary variable, then do what, pop it, then compare 3 1 with what. Okay, this is what we were doing. Now this logic is not available in your ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT is giving you, has got what, while loop and for loop. I know you guys have seen it also. Okay, now this is a very well optimized code. When I am building tree, at the time of building only, I am calculating what is the width. So am I taking any extra time for it? No. 120% optimized code. Clear all of you? अब बोलोगे तो मैम काउंट तो आपने कर लिया, बट मैक्सिमम काउंट कैसे किया, करेक्ट। अगर अभी मैं तुमको एरे देती हूं और बोलती हूं फ्रीक्वेंसी काउंट करो, ठीक है, एंड देन आई टेल मी विच एलिमेंट हैज गॉट मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी, कांट यू टेल मी। सेम थिंग वी हैव डन. Whenever you are doing any maximum minimum, there is an extra variable that you have got to take, which will capture the maximum value, which will capture the minimum value. When you are iterating, it will check, has the value increased from maximum, has the value decreased from minimum, change max, change min. Understood? Okay. Now can you try to do this on your own? You know what is to be done. Preparing queue. First time, front of the queue, temporary variable pop. Temporary variable comparison with front. Both of them same, increment count. Both of them different, reset the counter. Now, all these things, you should try and do it and see whether it's coming or not. Do you want to try this out? I want you people to try this out right now. After that, we will start with recursion. Okay, I'm giving you a 10-minute. You do in 10 minutes this code. I am not showing you the code. Can you do level traversal? You have code of level traversal with you? In the same code, I want you to implement this logic. Okay? Chalo. You are still not getting it. Honestly, bolo. Anybody else? Till that time, you do kmitonline.com. We'll just explain them. Other people who have not got it can also come and listen to the explanation. Okay?